to a new video, my YouTube family, man. And happy Thanksgiving. Today's Thanksgiving, man. Today's freaking Turkey Day. Gobble, 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 gobble. But I hope you guys are doing good, man. Today I'm going to be doing a shift knob install on this Black Forest Industry shift knob that I bought. It's fresh and crispy, but I have no idea how the hell to even put a shift knob. Never done it in my life. So we're about to find out how the hell to do this. Sorry for the mess, guys, but this right here is my shift knob. See, look, Black Forest Industry heavyweight shift knob, upper air leather. Leather. It's a nice leather shift knob, yo. About to show you guys this shift knob. Hold on. Bam! Look at that. Ooh, this junk is so nice, and I got a D on it because it's Black Friday. I got it for the low, bruh. So crispy, and it comes like with a little coin thing up here that says Black Forest. I'm gonna put that on later, and I have all the tools and stuff that I need to do this little install with. See, I have the this is the little coin. Oh, back to the box. There's Black Forest, and then I have this zip tie that I have to put the boot on, and the 3 little nut things to tighten it on the stick. And it came with an Allen key. Look at that. Ooh. They came prepared. And I also have this boot. Well, this is gonna be my custom boot. This is already pre-cut. But this is what's on my roof. I honestly wish I made a video on me doing my headliner, because I put this on my headliner. I don't know if you have seen it before, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get in there. But this is what I put on my headliner, and this is just like extra material that I had, and I wanted to save it. I'm like, I'm gonna get a new shift knob sometime, so I want to make it, a custom shift boot. You feel me? So I just save this up, and it's coming to use. All right, so honestly, I looked up on forums to see yo, I am tripping right now, man. I'm sorry, I kind of just woke up like 20 minutes ago, so I'm still like out of it, you feel me? But I heard in forums that you have to take this little silver strip off right here. Once you pop this out, I think you are able to get the shift boot off, and then there's like a clip under that you're supposed to take off or something like that. I low-key forgot, but I know you have to take this little strip off first. Alright, so I kind of already got this off, but a friend of mine by the name of Sir Zach, he told me that this is what I like, man. I like feedback, guys. He was like, get you guys more into the video and show you guys what I'm actually doing, you feel me? So I'm gonna get you guys into this video. See, I've been slacking on that, but you know what? My dog Zach got my back. But so you gotta take this little white strip off, and low-key don't want to break this because my brother tried to do this and he broke it, and I do not want to do that. So let me see if I can pop this off my hand. Oh, I just broke it. Damn it, yo. I just freaking broke it. Hold on. Why is this not popping off from the back? Wow, bruh. I literally just cracked it. Yo, if it could stay like that. Well, I didn't break it completely, but it cracked, man. Yeah, I don't know why this don't want to pop off. Pop off, buddy. See, man, I always end up breaking something. Oh, there we go. Oh, I just chipped it. Oh my god. Yo, this thing, there we go. Damn. It don't want to come off. Ah. I cracked it. Look. Damn it. Oh, snap. And I just broke the tab on it too. Well, I always end up breaking something, man. But I'll fix that though. Alright, so you have to get that off. Do we have to get this all too? Yes, we do actually. Wait, do we? Yeah, we do. How the hell? Oh, this is never mind. So you gotta take this off too. Wait, I could have just. Wow, bruh. I could have just taken this whole thing off with that silver thing. Yeah, take this off. Wow, I feel dumb. Wow, look at that. And then boom. Whoa, what the hell? Hey, I found a screw in here. Yo, what the hell? Oh, this actually goes right here. What the? Hey, bro, what the hell these just be doing in my lip? Alright, so I don't know. Alright, so this little thing right here, I somehow have to take it off. Alright, so I was actually informed by my brother that you're not supposed to break this hat. You're supposed to just put a flathead in it and twist it so you expand metal, I guess, so it doesn't break. Alright, well, guys, I just pulled it and now the whole shift knob just came out. Alright, so that's how the shift knob looks. And look at that. It's all limpy and stuff. Alright, so now I seen on the phone. Let me see how this is. Oh, that shit's low. Is that how I'm supposed to say? So I seen on the phone that someone just did this. Okay. No. Never mind. I'm not gonna listen to that person. Oh, actually, no. I saw what they did. Okay, I remember. My bad. So you get the Allen key and the 3 little nut things. And then you put them in. See, look. This little boop, right up in there. Okay, so what I seen was. Oh, let's go a little bit. I seen someone just get their thing, this little end piece where the shift knob supposed to screw on, and just put it on, and then just keep it. Damn, I don't even know where this is supposed to go on. So I'm gonna just keep it, I guess, like right there. And then you just screw it so it sits there, right? So I seen someone just do that, and then when they get all their shift boot and all that on, they just, I don't know, they flip the shift boot inside out, and then they put the shift knob on, and then they just back on. Some weird voodoo thing they do, but I'm gonna see how the hell I'm going to get this material on to this. Alright, so I just found out there is a different layer. Look at that. So it was not one whole piece, which is good. So I have to get these little staples off, and then I'm gonna have to use 3M tape for this, or if I could find big old staples like this that I could just staple it back. But I'm gonna see if, damn, that's the thing, I don't know, because they said that the new shift knob should be the same like height as this, so I'm gonna see if I could measure the whole boot the same size as this, or maybe a little bit shorter. Alright, so I ended up getting the shift boot off, and now I have to get all these staple things off. Now I have to measure this piece to fit for the shift knob and all this stuff, if you feel me. So I'm gonna get to try to do that, and I know I'm gonna struggle a lot, so I'm probably not gonna record it. So I'm probably just gonna cut to it after this clip right here. Alright guys, so that shift boot for that thing that I had, it wasn't working out, man. So I just put the regular one back on. I'm probably gonna have to get a custom one made, meant for this, because there's a guy that makes them. My brother bought one off him, so I'm probably just gonna get one off him. But I had to put this back, man. This joint was weird. I don't know how people do that, but I'm about to continue this install because I'm taking too long. But yeah, hold on. Shot a little crooked. But let's get this finished. Alright, so I got the shift knob right up in there, and then now I just have to zip tie the material to the shift knob with this little zip tie right here, and then from there I could just put it back on, screw it in, and then should be good, my guys. Alright, so I got the zip tie on, and I'm going to hit the snip. Hold on. Y'all have so much like 3M tape thing in my freaking seat right now. It's ridiculous. All right. Damn, they don't want to come off. You ain't gonna lie, taking off this freak pun, the zip tie was hard as hell. All right, so now I guess you just twisty twist. Well, actually, hold up. Before we even do that, let me put this down. Ooh, nice, nice. Well, there goes the shift knob. I mean, I kind of see, this is what I was kind of saying, like how that looks. But I'll probably end up just getting a different shift boot so it fits nice and good. But now the only thing that I have to do is put the coin on. Oh, excuse me. But hey, man, it's looking good. Look at it. Ooh. I don't know why that thing plays a lot. If you guys know, man, comment down below, because I do not know why that plays a lot. And I keep playing with it, and it's kind of annoying. Look at that. That's a massive play. But hey, boy, yo, that was such a struggle. But now the only thing that I have to do is put the coin on. Oh, excuse me. But hey, man, it's looking good. Look at it. Ooh. I don't know why that thing plays a lot. If you guys know, man, comment down below, because I do not know why that plays a lot. And I keep playing with it, and it's kind of annoying. Look at that. That's a massive play. But hey, boy, yo, that was such a struggle. Yo, I got hot out here, bro. I took my jacket off. I'm over here in my tank top, but this is the last piece. Yo, watch me mess this up. Watch. I'm gonna put it crooked and stuff, and I'm like damn. But ooh, that don't look good. I'm not gonna lie. Boom! At the bottom, son. Look at that. Ooh, nice and perfect too. Hey, got it nice. But yo, oh, yo, I can't wait to drive my car now. Yo, this play is so annoying though. I thought it was the shift. I thought it was this shift knob that was doing that, but honestly, it's not even that, bro. Cause when I had everything off, it would still do this, and I do not know why. I'm telling you, if you guys know why this thing is wiggling like that, please let me know in the comments below. But y'all, I'm gonna end the video here, man. I have to go inside and clean my room and do all that because I got family coming over, because you know it's Thanksgiving, you feel me? We got a turkey in the oven. But man, I hope you guys enjoyed this install. It was kind of dookie, you know, it's kind of bad, but hey, man, that shift don't feel good. I can't wait to drive. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video, man. I told you guys, man, there's more videos coming out, man. Don't be sleeping on me. But hey, peace out, y'all boys and girls, if y'all watch it. Hey.